So I am here today to talk about the best plants to be used in office or home as per Vastu backed by science. So I am Kiran, I am from Credenza Interior Studios. So welcome back to my channel. So let us start with the most popular one, that is money plant. So in Vastu, this plant is kept near southeast direction, a zone of money and opportunities. But why? Because this plant represents growth and abundance. But scientifically, money plant is to be proven as an air purifier or removes toxins like formaldehyde and increases oxygen. So you can place the money plant near the workstation or on the work desk or in the corner of living room to improve focus and clarity. So if there is only one plant every home must have, then it is Tulsi. So in Vastu, Tulsi is to be considered as the protector of the home, and this is kept in the northeast directions. And this is backed by science too, because Tulsi releases almost oxygen for 20 hours a day, reduces stress hormones, and also keeping the environment microbially clean. So if you want to have a plant that keeps calmness, purity and emotional balance, Tulsi is the answer. So the next one is Lucky Bamboo. So Vastu says bamboo plant brings stability and long-term harmony in relationships. So place it in the east zone for family bonding and in the southeast zone for wealth. So scientifically, bamboo acts as a natural humidifier and is excellent for maintaining indoor air quality. And trust me, this is the best low maintenance plant for working professionals. So for entrepreneurs and working professionals, keep a jade plant near your entrance or a workspace. So Vastu says jade attracts new opportunities, client flow and overall growth energy. Science says it's a succulent, meaning it holds water energy, symbolizing wealth retention. So this is perfect for any living room entrance or a office entrance, also for any of the workspace. Snake plant is called the Suraksha Kavach in Vastu. So place it at your entrance or near windows or in the north directions to block negative energies. Scientifically, it releases oxygen even at night, making it one of the best bedroom plants. So put it next to your bedside table for improved sleep and calmness. So if you want your interiors to look good, feel good and work for you, choose the plants not just for aesthetics but for good energy. So these 5 Vastu friendly plants brings positivity, clarity, good health and abundance. So hope you like this video. Let me know which plant have you used in your interiors and comment in the comment section. Do subscribe to our channel and follow us for more such videos. Bye.